You see, the difference between you making your first $1,000 on YouTube lies between these three steps, which I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if you would stick to me just to the end of this video, which is not going to take time, I'll be showing you these three steps which you need to follow, and you just need to put them on repeat, the same step, and then you'll be able to make your first $1,000 in a month on YouTube. My name is Akere, and welcome back to the channel. Before I dive into this particular topic we're talking about today, I just want to use this opportunity to appreciate all of you who have been supporting my channel so far. We just hit 6,000 followers. Yes, 6,000 of you is actually subscribed to the channel, so thank you very much, you all, for subscribing to the channel. And of course, like I promised you, I'm going to be doing a little giveaway, just a little one, just a little. It's going to be our first one, but just a little one, just to appreciate few people, or some of you on this channel. And then of course I'm going to be discussing that in another video, but let's just jump to what we are talking about what I'm talking about today. Your first $1,000 on YouTube. How can you go about it? So in case you are a new YouTuber, or you've started YouTube for a very long time, or you are just planning to start YouTube recently, if you will follow this particular step, this three step which I'm going to be talking about in this video, then you will be on course to make your first money on YouTube. So the first step is going to be, or the first thing you need to do, because I want to assume that you're already creating videos, you already have the ideas. It's just that you are posting those videos and those videos are not getting views. Yes, you have the ideas, but then you post them, then you are just getting 2 views, 1 views, 10 views, and so on. So I'm just going to be showing you 3 steps which I've done and has worked on my channel. And if you could follow this particular 3 steps, then you will make your first $1,000 on YouTube. So the first thing you need to do is you need to be actually conscious about your thumbnail. You see, thumbnail is actually the representation of you. So your thumbnail actually represents you, and your thumbnail speaks a lot of volume. It's actually the first thing that people see when if they are going to watch your video or not. So imagine you post a video on YouTube right now. YouTube will try to suggest these videos to some people. It's going to be on the page, on the landing page of some of the those that watch YouTube, including me, including you. And your thumbnail is what is going to attract people to actually click on your video. So imagine you have a great thumbnail. As you can see, some of these thumbnails that are flashing on the screen right now, these are some from some of the popular YouTubers, and I watched them a lot before I started YouTube, and I'm still watching them now because I want to make more knowledge for them. You can see the thumbnails on the screen. So they actually designed a very good thumbnail, and this is the thumbnail you see that makes you to decide. That was the first decision that makes you say, oh, I'm going to watch this video. And imagine you have a very great thumbnail. If you have a very great thumbnail, you've already catch the attention of the person who is going to watch your video. So imagine 100 your particular video actually landed on 100 people on their page, and then your thumbnail is good. That means up to 100, from 100 people, maybe 50 or 60 are likely to click that video. And once they click that video, and then before they click that video, let's talk about the next option. I told you, you just need to do 3 things. I just need to put these 3 things on repeat, and then before you know it, you are on to make your first money on YouTube. So the second thing which you need to do is your title. So when someone actually looked at your thumbnail, the second thing they checked is your title. So your thumbnail actually caught their attention. It caught their attention. They looked at the thumbnail and thought, oh, so what this person is trying to say. And then they try to read your title. And once they read your title, come on, they've looked at your thumbnail, they've read your title. This way, this has already captivated them, and the next thing they are going to do is watch your video. If your thumbnail is good, your title is good, nobody wants to watch your video. So this has actually brought me to the last step. I told you it's just 3 simple steps, and just you need to put them on repeat. You just need to put them on loop, and then you'll be making your money on YouTube. So the third thing is your content. So you try to captivate a viewer with your thumbnail, and they read your title, and then they get inside your content. Once they are in your content, this is when they start listening to you. Trust me, if your content does not rhyme with your thumbnail, that means the person who actually click into your video will click out of your video immediately. Like they just, okay, I wasted my time. But if your content is actually good, that will make that person to click on the subscribe button and also click on the like button. So let me just use this opportunity to tell you, if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like button, because of course I'm sure you enjoy what I'm talking about and you want to see more videos like this. So subscribe and like this video and also share with somebody. So let's continue. If they get into your video and then they start listening to you and your content is great, because your content is great, they'll click the like button, they'll click the subscribe button. Subscribe button means they want more video from you. They want to see more of this video from you. They want to see a notification that, okay, you uploaded another video, and they want to watch your video because they love what you talk about. So if you are able to captivate up to 50 people to do this, YouTube will automatically recognize that you are putting out a very great content. You see, I uploaded a video and this video actually gave me 1,700 subscribers. Just 1,700 subscribers. Of course, I'm still a small YouTuber. I'm not going to call myself a very big YouTuber. But imagine the big YouTubers, how many subscribers they get from just a particular video, just because their thumbnail was good, the title was good, and the content was good. So these three things: your thumbnail, your title, and your content. You don't need to worry about anything. Even if your lighting is not good, even if your lighting is not good, just don't worry about that. Focus on your thumbnail, focus on your title, and also focus on your content. If you can get these three things right, you are going to be making your first 1,000, and not just 1,000, because YouTubers are making more than 1,000, they are making more than 2,000, and they're also making more than 3,000 on YouTube. So get these three things right, and once you get it right the first time, the next thing you need to do the second time is just repeat the same steps. So from number 3, go back to number 1, which is your thumbnail for your next video. Go to number 2, a great title. Go to number 3, and then you do the same thing. Because people that have subscribed, they want to see more of those videos. So once a notification pop up on their phone the next time, or on their laptop the next time, because they've subscribed to your channel, they are going to watch the video. And once people start watching your video and they keep coming back to your channel, YouTube will just start suggesting your video everywhere. That's why you always see, oh, this video went viral, this thing went viral, everybody's watching this video, because the title, the thumbnail, and the content was good. If you have a good thumbnail, you have a good title, but your content is not good, people are not going to subscribe to your channel. Therefore, they just click. So they might just watch a video. Just imagine a video of 8 minutes and they just watch few seconds and then they click away. And like 50 people does the same thing. Then YouTube will automatically, the YouTube algorithm will automatically recognize, okay, this video just try to like scam, or just try to get people to watch and then they are not watching and then they are just clicking away. So you need to combine these three things, and if you combine them quite well, then you'll be making your money on YouTube. So this is everything I want to bring to you on this channel. If you think this actually makes sense, of course it makes sense. So you need to subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be seeing you in the next one, and the next video will be coming in the middle of the week, not on the weekend, not on the Sunday, because I drop video every Sunday. So it's going to be coming in the middle of the week. Be sure to actually subscribe to get that video, because that video is going to make a lot of sense. My name is Akere Boluwa. Until I catch you in the next one, for now, stay cool, and don't forget thumbnail, title, and content. Combine the three of them and repeat them in your next video, and also repeat them in the next video. I will see you in the next one. For now, stay cool.